usertesting.com, and what it is basically Apple of the user testing world. While other survey websites will send you low quality surveys that will pay you pennies on the dollar, usertesting.com pays you dollars on the dollar. Some of the largest companies in the world use usertesting.com, and they use it to gain valuable insights into their products. $10 for every 20-minute survey, and between $30 and $120 for every live interview that will last you between 30 minutes and an hour. Usertesting.com is a usability customer experience platform. In other words, you will be testing products like websites, apps, and even actual physical products to make sure that the user experience while using those products is on par with the brand's expectations. And to get started, you're going to need a computer, an internet connection, a microphone if your computer doesn't have one already built in. You could use your smartphone for that, and also a PayPal account if you want to get paid. All you have to do is simply head over to usertest.com, click over the top where it says get paid to test, enter your email, and follow the instructions given to begin.